G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 84 Southview Crescent in beautiful New Norfolk. We've got magnificent rural views. We're 2-minute drive to the New Norfolk CBD where you'll find all services, walking distance to schools, and we've got a fantastic family home, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large open plan living with magnificent gardens and fruit trees. Let's go in and take a look. We really are in a beautiful location with magnificent rural views right over New Norfolk, close to all services, and it's a fantastic family home with established gardens, double garage and so much more. If you've been looking for that perfect family home, look no further. To book an inspection or for more information, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.